All right, in today's project, we're gonna be adding a garage receptacle for this garage space heater. First thing I did was check out the nameplate. It pulls about 1,500 watts. Now, it's gonna run continuous for at least 3 hours. So NEC code says we need to multiply it by 125%. That gets us to 15.6. We're gonna round it up to 20 amps. We're gonna add it right here. We're gonna do 1/2" EMT coming down alongside here, 44 to the bottom, 4 square box. Our panel is right over here. We got a square D QO panel with plenty of space. So we're gonna go right up top there, 20 amp breaker, and we have beautiful clearance for the access with a nice ladder. So let's get started. All right, here's what we got so far. Got the panel cover off. We took our half inch knockout off here. Got a nice clear shot here, which opens up into the attic here. I went ahead and put our fish stick up there. So that's poking up. So once I go into the attic, I'm gonna see my stick and I'm gonna connect my 12-2 wire to it and come back down and pull that down. Let's see how it goes. All right, so just like we planned, there's our fish stick. Now we just need to taper a wire to the tip of that fish stick and get it pulled down. All right, there we have it. The wire is taped onto the fish stick and ready to get the pulling on the fish stick. It's gonna pull right through. We got all the wire laid out up here. Then we're gonna go ahead and shoot across and over down to that bay and get it pulled down. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see how it comes down. Oh, and that's beautiful. That's perfect. You want to get it down to about the bottom of the panel, like so. And that's set, ready to go. All right, up next we have our 1/2" hole drilled out, coming from the top. Again, we're going 44 to the bottom. So we're gonna get our box, our 4 square box mounted right here with some tap cons. Then we're gonna get a measurement for our 1/2" conduit coming from the top. We're gonna put some offsets on the conduit and get it all mounted. All right, there we have it. We got our 4-inch square box mounted right exactly where it's going. We have our 1/2" hole. We got a measurement of 55 inches where we're gonna get our 1/2" conduit coming down. We gotta get an offset here and a slight offset up top, and then we'll mount that and we're ready to pull our wire in. Conduit's in place. Look at that nice offset. We got a box offset here. Now we just have to go ahead and tighten that up, put some straps on it, and we're ready to pull our wire down. There's our wire, and there's our conduit right over there. We just have to go ahead and grab this wire and stuff it down the conduit, and we're ready to terminate the receptacle. And that's what you want to see there. Go ahead and just pull that down, get the slack off of it, and we are ready to terminate our receptacle. Let's go. All right, receptacle is wired. I like to put electrical tape over my devices, especially in metal boxes, just to make sure when you push it back, nothing is gonna short out. Box is grounded with a ground screw. All I gotta do is fold the wires in a nice zigzag pattern, put those 2 screws on, 20 amp receptacle, then we can tie it into the breaker. All right, we got everything tied in. I did a shift, brought her down. By code, garage receptacles do have to be GFCI protected. So we got a 20 amp GFCI breaker right here. So let's check it out. All right, let's take a look. Green light, 121. All right, she's all set. I hope you guys learned something. Like and subscribe.